You have a beautiful glass vase or decanter sitting somewhere in your home right now with a waterline stain, a mineral film, or a residue coating the inside that no brush can reach, no cloth can touch, and no amount of soaking has ever fully removed. The solution is sitting in your kitchen pantry. It has been there the whole time. It is rice. And what it does to the inside of a narrow glass vessel is something you genuinely need to see to believe. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell. Because the most elegant cleaning solutions are always the ones hiding in the most ordinary places. And this one has been waiting in your pantry for years. The beautiful problem. There is a particular frustrations that belongs exclusively to people who own beautiful glassware. Not the frustration of broken glass or chipped rims. Those are clean, finite problems with obvious solutions. It is the frustration of the inside of a narrow-necked glass vase or crystal decanter that you cannot clean properly, cannot reach with a cloth, cannot scrub with a brush because no brush fits the neck, and the ones that do are too soft to address the staining, cannot soak away because the mineral deposits and organic residue that cloud the interior glass have bonded to the surface through months of water, wine, and flowers standing inside them. The science, why rice works. The inside of a narrow glass vessel presents a specific cleaning challenge that comes down to one fundamental problem: physical access. Every effective cleaning method for solid surface involves some form of mechanical action combined with a chemical agent. The mechanical action, scrubbing, wiping, abrading, physically disrupts and removes the deposit while the chemical agent dissolves or loosens it. Remove the mechanical action, and even the most effective chemical agent works only on what it can dissolve completely, leaving behind the mineral deposits and embedded residue that require physical disruption to fully remove. The method, step by step. Begin with the vessel at room temperature. Never apply cold water to hot glass or hot water to cold glass, as thermal shock can crack even thick crystal. Add 2 tablespoons of uncooked white rice to the vessel, enough to create a mobile layer that moves freely when the vessel is shaken, not so much that the rice is packed and immobile. The rice must be able to travel across every interior surface during agitation to clean effectively. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This provides the acidic chemical agent that dissolves mineral deposits and loosens the organic residue that the rice will then physically remove. Beyond vases, where else this method works. The rice agitation principle applies to any vessel where physical access to the interior is restricted. Narrow-necked carafes. Sports water bottles with residue that bottle brushes address only partially. Coffee thermos interiors with brown staining that soap and water never fully removes. Baby bottles with milk residue in the base. Vintage bottles used as decorative vessels with decades of interior oxidation. Any glass, ceramic, or metal vessel where the insides needs cleaning, and the geometry prevents conventional cleaning methods from working completely. The method is the same for each. Rice provides mobile abrasion. Vinegar or dish soap provides the chemical agent. Water provides the medium for movement. Agitation provides the energy. 4 components, universally applicable to any narrow vessel cleaning problem you have been managing with partial solutions or accepting as unsolvable. The vase on your shelf with the clouded interior. The decanter in the cupboard, retired because the inside could not be restored. The water bottle you have been using despite the residue because the brush never quite reached the base. None of them were beyond cleaning. They were beyond the cleaning methods you had been applying, the methods that provided chemical action without mechanical access, or mechanical action without the reach to use it. Rice gives you both. In 4 minutes from your pantry. Take the vessel down from the shelf tonight. Add the rice, the vinegar, the water, shake it for 3 minutes, rinse it. Hold it up to the light and see what was there all along underneath the mineral film and the residue and the years of water contact. The clarity was always there. It just needed the right method to bring it back. If this finally solved a cleaning problem you had given up on, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people with solutions they have been searching for. Subscribe and turn on the bell so practical discoveries like this always find you first. Share it with someone whose beautiful glassware deserves to look beautiful inside as well as out. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.